helper cars. This is the helper car's garage. A pickup truck is driving out of the green door. A pickup truck is a light vehicle that has a platform for a small load. I wonder what kind of load our pickup is carrying. What do you think it is? Oh, long heavy logs. Look, the crane is loading them onto the pickup truck. One log. Another. A third. So many logs. Pick up. Drive carefully, please. No, you can't pass here. You shouldn't carry such long logs on a small pickup truck. Three logs have rolled into the river. What shall we do? Now the boat can't pass under the bridge. Who will help to get the logs out of the water? This is a log truck with a special long grabbing arm. The light is green. You can pass, log truck. The log truck drives up to the river, raises the arm and opens the log grasp. The log truck has a special long platform at the rear to put logs on horizontally. Let's also load the logs from the pickup onto the log truck platform. 4 logs. 5. 'And where is the 6th log? Let's look. Here it is, on the riverbank. Pick up the log truck and drive off to the sawmill. The pickup truck returns to the garage. The log truck is also driving to the garage. It's already finished its work. Helper cars.